So about 4 years ago, 5 years ago, I started gardening. Rainwater was something that I really wanted to conserve, and I just did some Googling. And again, this is really simple materials, really inexpensive. This is six 32-gallon buckets. I got the buckets at Bi-Mart. I think they were $12. The more expensive part is this part right here. This is a bulkhead union. This is a 3/4 inch, and this is what we use in the bottom of the buckets. So this reverse threads. There's a foam washer and a hard washer. This goes on the bottom of the bucket, so it's this side up. As you can see, counterclockwise, tightens. See it on there. Anyway, this one was a little dirty. I just unscrewed it and took it off. Connecting here is whatever size. So this is a 3/4. This is what I use for my rain barrels. On here I have a 1/2 inch underneath. So this is a 1/2 inch male PVC adapter. Underneath I just have it coming straight up. So I have a couple of elbows. And each one I have a shut-off valve just in case. So underneath it's the same, going down under each bucket and connected to it. The bucket stays on there and it's attached from that male and female bulkhead union. This just goes right in there. To kind of demonstrate the water pressure, all these other buckets are full. It's raining out here. Got a couple inches from the top. But as I can shut them off independently, it's a closed circuit. One little gutter downspout just fills up one, and take mine. That's only maybe a sixth of the roof. So really a lot of other potential. In this bucket on the left, I have a half horsepower pump that I use just to be able to get this water out into the garden, out into the strawberry towers, into those beds, because again, all these beds are have about a 100-gallon reservoir. So to show the water pressure here, I have this valve turned off because I've disconnected this bucket that I've cleaned. So I'm just going to turn this on, and you'll see that with that valve open, that water pressure is wanting to fill up that other bucket. So whereas these buckets would be 2 inches from the top now, once I get that other bucket in there, that would disperse evenly and have more space. So hopefully over the next little bit, this will be my other reservoir holding tank. Got a couple more plastic tanks in here, but pretty fun, little easy project. It took about a day. The other cost of materials was just the platform. I wanted to raise it up, so this is gravity fed as well. Since I have that just on a T, 1/2 inch T going to each one, then this I can just turn on and have this as water as well if I'm just wanting to fill up my watering can or something smaller. So there you have it. Rain barrel system 1.0.